Hi, this is Lori Hiscock at Ruoff Home Mortgage. My clients often tell me that they are visiting different websites and checking out the payment calculators to get a feel for what the cost will be if they buy a home. While I love people going online for information, payment calculators on websites often are missing some of the important pieces. So let's take a minute and talk about the components of a monthly payment for a mortgage. The first and most important piece of your monthly payment is the principal and interest. Typically, if you have a fixed rate loan of 30, 15, 20-year term, whatever you like, you will pay the same principal and interest every month over the term of your loan. So for example, if it's a 30-year fixed rate loan, every month for 30 years, you're going to pay the same piece towards the principal and interest. That is what is used to pay the loan off over that term. But that's not the only part of your monthly payment. In addition to that, you may have private mortgage insurance. To learn more about private mortgage insurance, you can check out some of my other videos on my YouTube channel. But in summary, private mortgage insurance is something that you typically have on a mortgage payment if you don't have a 20% down payment when buying the home. So first, principal and interest. Second, private mortgage insurance. Third, escrows. Often your lender will ask that you escrow for your taxes and home insurance. What that means is every month they're going to collect for those. 1/12 of the annual bill for both property taxes and insurance are going to go into a savings account called an escrow account where they'll save the money up for those, and when the bills come, they'll pay that money out. So those are the three components of your payment in most scenarios: principal and interest, private mortgage insurance, and escrows for taxes and insurance. Online calculators often are missing one or more of those pieces, so it's important to talk to a lender and find out just what the payment truly will be with you so that you don't start looking at homes with false expectations of what the cost will be. If you would like to know more about monthly payments for a home or any other aspect of the home financing process, please feel free to give me a call or drop me an email. I am always happy to help. Thanks and have a wonderful day.